WANGLU Multifunction Cable Tester. Quick unboxing of the LT600M. WANGLU Multifunction Cable Tester is designed for optical fiber, optical communication detection, security monitoring, and network troubleshooting. Check out what's included in the box. A tool bag, manual, a emitter, a receiver, a Type-C charger cable, an alligator clip cable, an RJ11, RJ45 cable, a digital multimeter pen, RJ45 to be NC connector, a screwdriver, and a safety cord. The WANGLU LT600M cable tester is a proven performer and comes highly recommended.